I wanted to show you guys this kit that I received from the company. This has been really fun. I think this is a great thing to do if you're writing like thank you letters or, if you're sending out invites. It comes with all of these different wax beads that are very pretty, very vibrant. You get a ton of them in there. You melt it. It comes with everything that you need. Candles to melt. The wax, you put it right on top of here, and then you can see this is the melted wax in here. So you melt it. It comes with more candles, the stamp, which actually can come off, and then you can replace it with a different one. Um, Pens to make some detail, and then these really beautiful envelopes. I think these are so pretty. The colors, they're like a very hard cardstock, nicely made. So you just pour it right on top of to seal your envelope, the wax. This is like this really pretty blue color. Super easy to do. My kids were able to do it. And then you press down to seal. And that is it. And that's how it works. So really just like a really nice detail to add to something that you're doing, whether it be like an invite or thank you letters. Really pretty. You can see, now you can touch it. It's not, doesn't hurt. And then to open it up, this is still a little wet, but you can just open it up like that. So that's it.